Great, already up to problem 4. These are going really fast. Alright, so it's an antiderivative question. We just did a lot of these, right? I'm just going to assume that you basically know what to do. You know, the rule is the antiderivative of t to the n You learn better notation than writing antiderivative in English in Calculus 2. So the antiderivative of t to the n with respect to t is t to the n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus some constant. So that gets you a long way. Actually, except for secant squared, that's going to answer both of these. So let's use it on this one first. So when I take the antiderivative, I get the antiderivative, capital F, is 10 times t to the 5th over 5, and of course I could cancel these, minus 2 times, what's the antiderivative of secant squared? It's tangent. Done. Bang. No problem. Okay. So for this next one, it's a product. There's kind of something that's like a reverse product rule, but we don't know it yet. And so the only way we can do this is to multiply it out. So first, before you do anything, just multiply this out. I'm doing part B here. And so what do you get? You get the square root of t. And what is square root when it hits t? It becomes t to the 3/2, because it's 1 plus 1/2. Now we're ready to go. And notice both of these, oh shoot. I always forget to do this, don't I? Sorry, that's distracting, but I should have done that. Okay, so here we are ready to take the antiderivative of this thing. We just use this rule. So the antiderivative is, alright, so this is t to the 1/2. So when I take the antiderivative, it'll be t to the 3/2 over 3/2. Okay, and I used the same trick here. When I add 1 to 3/2, what is that? That's 5/2, right? So it's t to the 5/2 over 5/2. Plus c to make it general and spicy. Okay, it's done.